My name is Kyle Kitson. I'm a managing attorney with the Homeless Action Center.
I'm Steve Weiss. I'm regional counsel at Bay Area Legal Aid.
The name of our project is the SSI Advocacy Trust.
SSI is a federal benefit for people with disabilities. Some people may qualify for Social Security disability insurance if they have a significant work history, but for the reentry population, most folks who are coming out of the jail do not have enough of a work history to qualify for Social Security. So the SSI benefit is hugely valuable to these clients if they're unable to work. It can help them to get housed and stabilize their living situation, which in itself reduces recidivism. So the SSI Advocacy Trust was formed by Alameda County and is administered through Behavioral Health Care Services, who fund both Bay Area Legal Aid and Homeless Action Center to represent low-income residents of Alameda County, primarily behavioral health care patients.
So what we're actually doing is taking these referrals and then going to the jail on a weekly basis to meet with those folks. In terms of what makes a collaboration successful, I think there's a number of pieces to that. So we are an intervention to break the cycle of incarceration, which I think is a product of poverty, of mental health, of a number of other things intersecting with the criminal justice systems. We all play a role. Bay Area Legal Aid, Homeless Action Center, we are legal advocacy organizations. We have an expertise in helping people hopefully have a successful application for SSI, SSDI for public benefits. We rely on the clinicians at the jail to refer folks to us who would potentially be successful applications and people who are in need of the benefit. Then, of course, in terms of kind of creating continuity of care out in the community, application for disability benefits is not going to necessarily be successful unless we can connect folks to services, both while they're incarcerated and also out in the community. So the services that they hopefully are receiving in the jail is mental health treatment through BHCS.
There are several successful lessons learned from this project. First and foremost, I think, is being able to identify folks while they're in jail so that we can help them to get on benefits as soon as possible upon release.
When somebody is released from custody, their life is going to be thrown into chaos, whether it's homelessness, whether it's losing the medications that they relied on. And so being a contact out in the community, I think, is a really, really valuable asset.
So I think something that Alameda County has recognized and why they funded this project that not every county has is that qualifying for Social Security has become more difficult in recent years. It's become more adversarial. It's particularly difficult for people with mental health impairments, both in terms of navigating the process and in terms of proving your case. So even though somebody may have substantial evidence of their disability, they still may take months or years to get to a hearing to win their case. And so having advocates at Bay Area Legal Aid and Homeless Action Center who know that system and have that experience has been a good investment for Alameda County and would be a good investment for other counties.